channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Pisces, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from November the 4th to the 12th of November 2020, and we shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you from right here. These will serve as messages for you from the universe. The deck I'm using today is the Tarot Grand Luxe by Ciro Marchetti, and I'm using Kyle Gray's The Angel Guide Oracle deck right here. All right. I want you to please remember that these are general readings, Pisces. They may not always resonate with all of you. They could be for you, they could be for your person or the situation you're in, or just simply vice versa energies for cross readers and cross watchers. What I want you to know is that you're more than welcome to reach me if you're interested in a private reading or a personal reading. You will have to take an appointment with me, and I can share all that information with you if you get in touch with me via email. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below. So let's take a look at Pisces for the week of November 4th to the 12th. All right, in the overall energy for the reading is the 10 of coins, the 10 of pentacles, which means completion of a cycle. So you obviously will go or are going through some kind of a cycle. It started with something, you went through a lot, but it's kind of going to come to an end. So from bad to good, I definitely see a good cycle here. You've probably suffered in the past, but let's see what this is. This could be a relationship. This could be, a relationship with a loved one, or just a family member, or perhaps just two people. We do not know what the connection was. Let me see what I get. In the recent past, I see the Hermit, I see the King of Wands, and I see the 10 of Swords. Someone was extremely ambitious. They decided to kind of just seclude themselves from this person, their connection. They probably moved away from their families. Some of you probably just kind of ignored the family front, taking them for granted, and focused on your, completely on your career perhaps, or your work, or your, area of interest. And that's kind of got you into this 10 of Swords kind of a situation where, everything kind of just collapsed for you in your, in your family life, in your personal relationships. In the current situation, I definitely see a change of scenario with the Wheel of Fortune here, which means some kind of a movement from bad to good. You did have choices, whether to hold your own or be stubborn, or just go forward and try and communicate how you feel. You have been a little bit of of a defensive kind of a person, or probably even they have been a little defensive about the way they feel. And you did have a choice that you had to make in terms of balancing your options and what to say and what not to say to this person while trying to reconcile, okay, or approach them to reconcile. And though they have been very defensive, I definitely think going forward in the immediate future, I see the 7 of Cups, where you will probably make the choices, make them understand that they are a priority, and balance things out with the Temperance card here. Someone will guide you. There's someone you look up to. There's someone who will advise you to probably do that, and to set your priorities straight and to focus on what's, probably important to you. I see this as someone in your life. Probably it's a common, a friend or a person, or just someone you both probably look up to, or you especially who look up to, and they will advise you to kind of prioritize, make a choice, kind of balance that choice, keep your personal life away from your ambitions, not mixing both. And even if you do mix both, how to make the other person not feel left out, which you did in the past. All right, so there's a lot of healing. I see a lot of growing up. I see a lot of maturity and wanting to make that relationship successful or work, whatever that union is, whether it's a partnership, whether it's two people in a business or just in a love relationship. I definitely see that this could all work out and get completely comfortable and having it all in abundance. A lot of fertility, a lot of financial security, a lot of stability is what I see here with the Ten of Cups. And like a cycle of completion or whatever you were deprived of in the past, I see it all working out for you ultimately. And some of you are probably on that journey looking at the Wheel of Fortune. So things have turned around for you and will only get better. So that's what I see for you, Pisces. Let's see what the Oracle cards have to say. What's the message for you from the universe? Pisces, a message from the universe for Pisces for the week of November the 4th to the 12th, 2020. What's happening with Pisces? What's happening with Pisces? Let's pick these up. All right, so I definitely see opportunity and change with this card. There is going to be an opportunity, like I told you, with the Seven of Cups that you had. You will have that option where you will be able to prioritize. You will be guided and told how to kind of balance everything off and give importance to certain things and leave some out. It's definitely saying no to just being stubborn. Do not kind of just present yourself out there. You have the angelic protection. It says where you're in healing, you're being watched, so don't be scared to say how you feel. At the same time, if it means saying no to something to make this other person happy or to prioritize them over something else, you need to learn how to say no very clearly. So I think that's all coming together for us. It's an advice from the universe that you need to give importance to all aspects of your life. You need to get the right balance between work, family, and pleasure, and you have to learn to say no when you need to say no. All right, so you will have the opportunity. It's going to come to you and you need to know how to pick that, how to change that with that Wheel of Fortune also that you got. And it's also telling me here very clearly that you will have opportunity and change happening going forward. All right, so that's what I see for you, Pisces, for this week of November 4th to the 12th. So I will see you next week. Till then, take good care, stay safe.